TeeSpy by Beachinsoft is best membership and software including brainstorming tools, Facebook interests tool, FB ad spy tool to help you earn thousands selling t-shirts online. With TeeSpy Pro you've the chance to search, find, and analyze top-performing tea campaigns. What features TeeSpy contains? Get inspired. With TeeSpy you've the chance to search, find, and analyze top-performing tea campaigns. Analyze Facebook ads, see the promotional efforts of your competitors. TeeSpy Pro enables you to see the live ads being ran by your competitors. Powerful brainstorming tools. The brainstorming tool inside of TeeSpy Pro enables you to search for the most popular posts on Pinterest, Screened, Wanello, Zazzle, and Cafe Press. Data at your fingertips. TeeSpy Pro offers a robust set of data for every campaign including sales QTY, social shares, and even demographics. Why should you buy TeeSpy? There are thousands of people promoting this product as it's a good one. You'll definitely see a lot of reviews about it too. But I'm doing differently as I'll provide you both honest reviews and an exclusive bonus if you buy it here via my link. Why my bonus is exclusive? All of my bonus products are usable, workable, and I'm using them now. You'll own MRR for all of these bonus products. That means you can use it for your own purposes. At the same time, you can also resell them for profits. That is somewhat exclusive too. The bonus affiliate package is worth over $500 plus. This is affiliate package that I've learned a lot of from it and spend a lot of cash buying them. This bonus only for 21st clients. The disadvantage of TeeSpy. Although TeeSpy has a lot of useful features, but is will have disadvantage, that's its price. You've to spend $47 to own this awesome tool. There's over 2,000 users of the first version of TeeSpy, and it's got all kinds of rave reviews from my clients. And it does not have near the features the new version has, but spend $47 for one tool, even though it worth, isn't a good deal at all, at least to me, because you could spend some time to learn, download, and optimize them yourself. It take many time, but you do not need to spend a lot of cash, right? If you've to spend $47 for this tool, my advice is stop that, try to learn, and set up all of them yourself. You could save some buck for other product. But in this review, I've a very good news for you. You do not need to spend $47 to own this. For just 7 days only, you've a special price to own this awesome tool. Wow, this is really a special offer for on a best tool ever. Absolutely, I'll take one. How about you? I believe that you will not miss this special event, right? Take it now before this offer ends. Just 7 days only.